yellow is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. If you are new, thank you for clicking on my video. It means so much to me. So today I am so excited because I was able to get the new Makeupshayla and Colourpop collab. This is her Proceed with Caution palette. Great things. That's all I have to say right now. Great things. This is the only palette that I use on my eyes, and I don't know, I like how it turned out. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, continue to watch. But first, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell, thumbs up this video, and let's get right into it. Okay, so I did a mini online haul for Colourpop, and I got some really cute things. So I got one lip gloss and then I think 2 liquid lipsticks. And I got some of the Super Shock eyeshadows. I got another one, this one. I'm not going to be using these today because your girl got the Makeupshayla and Colourpop collab, the Proceed with Caution eyeshadow palette, and I'm so excited because I'm going to be trying this out today, and I just know this look is just going to come out looking bomb. So the packaging is super cute, black with yellow writing, that pop of color. Open it up, you get a nice size mirror, and then you get 9 shades, and even the names are so cute, like the road construction kind of names. Like very cute palette, very cute theme. And yeah, this is what I'm going to be using today. What look I'm going to create with it, I don't even know. Like we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out together, like I promise. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I did my eyebrows off camera, and I just used the NYX Control Freak eyebrow setting gel. Then I went in with the Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil in the shade 4.5. And then to clean up my brows, I went in with the Colourpop concealer. This is in the shade Medium Dark 32. So I only cleaned up the bottom because, you know, like the foundation and everything else is gonna like clean up the top for me. So yes, let's just get right into this makeup. But first, I do want to apologize if you hear like background noise because my window is open. It's very hot in my house today. So if you hear a background noise, please, like, you know, disregard that. Alright, so I'm going to be priming my eyes with the Colourpop concealer in the shade Medium Dark 32. This is what I cleans up my eyebrows with. I'm just going to pop that on my lid. And I'm just going to use a synthetic brush to blend that out. So this is actually like my first eyeshadow palette from Colourpop. Like, the only eyeshadow that I got from Colourpop was the Super Shock shadow, and that was in the shade Ladybird. Like, it's a very pretty shimmery champagne color. I use it a lot for highlight. But this palette is going to be like my first time like really trying out their pressed shadows. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm just patting it in just to make sure it's like all evenly distributed. Ooh, this mirror is nice. Like I can see my whole face with this mirror. Like this is a very clear, okay, you guys can't really see, like all my makeup brushes. Very clear, big, nice mirror. So I think I want to do a daytime look, like a little smoky daytime look. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So for my first shade, I'm gonna go in with Culture, and I'm just gonna apply that to my crease. So this is like a very nice subtle crease color, like transition shade. It kind of reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Raw Sienna. That's like also in the Modern Renaissance palette, but that color is like a bit more orange. But yeah, there is kickback on the pan, as you can see, but I don't know, does that bother you guys? Like, that doesn't bother me. So next, to darken up my crease, I'm just going to go in with Maintenance. This color looks kind of plumish. Like in person, it's like coming out kind of like a plum mahogany kind of color. It's actually very pretty. Very pretty, like crease color. I think I'm going to switch brushes. I'm going to do like a smaller brush and continue to pack that on. Build up that color. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to go back in with Culture and just blend around that to soften it so there's no harshness, no harsh lines. So now next for my lid shade, I want to go in with Caution, which is this yellow shade right here. But I do want to put down more concealer on my eye, not to cut the crease, but so that the yellow will really pop. So now I'm just going to take a flat brush and pack that onto my lid. Now that is pigment. And there is fallout, but you know, it's pigmented, so expect fallout, you guys. This color is just so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Like, that looks really good. This is a yellow I could rock with. Yellow is one of the hardest shades to pop for me, like on me. Like, but this is very pigmented. This looks very nice. Look at my nose. See, this is why I did my eyes first, because I had a feeling that there was going to be like a lot of fallout, so that's why I did my eyes first. Now I'm just going to go in with a clean blending brush and blend around so that there's no harsh lines. Now I want to add more of the Maintenance to the outer V of my eye. And I'm just adding some more yellow back to like keep the pigmentation, because the Maintenance kind of drowned out that color a little bit, bringing it back to life. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I like this yellow. This yellow is really it. This yellow is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So now I'm just going to clean off my lashes. I'm just using a spoolie and like separating my lashes, taking off any fallout. Alright, I'm struggling, so I'm going to be right back. Alright, so my eyeliner came out a little crooked, but that's just how it's going to be. So next we're going to prep my lashes with some of the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. And for lashes, I'm going to be going in with the Allure Definition number 126 lash. Absolutely love these lashes. It gives you like a nice cat eye effect, so to hide this crooked situation going on. While the lash glue dries, I'm just going to go back into the palette and I'm going to take Proceed, and I want to put that underneath my brow bone. See, like this lash is just so pretty. Alright, so I'm going to move on to my face now, and to prime, I fell in love with this primer, L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Primer, and when I tell you, pores wear, oil wear, you can't clock me when I'm wearing this primer. I'm sorry. So next I'm going to be color correcting. You already know, with the Maybelline Master Camo correcting pen, and this is in the shade Apricot. Buff it in to the skin. Buff it in to the skin. So now for foundation, I'm going to be going in, you guys already know, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 385. And for concealer, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 360. Contouring now, you guys already guessed it, Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. So I finally got my hands on the Fenty Beauty setting powder. I had to get the... Do you hear the truck outside? Anyway, I had to get the travel size one because they were sold out of the large size. It is what it is. It's whatever. I got it, okay, for now. I got cashew. I did want to try banana as well, but they didn't have banana even in the tester. So I was like, all right, let me just try cashew. All right, so we are just gonna test this out. It smells good. Ooh. Ah. It smells so good. Like, as soon as you push it into your skin, it just smells very, it smells like a clean floral scent. Not too overbearing. Like, it just smells like, it just smells really good. And it goes on, like, just melts into the skin like butter. This is a nice powder. This is a nice powder. Yay, I'm happy. I always get so happy when, like, the face products that I get, they actually work out very nicely, because I get very nervous. Like, is it gonna be too light? Is it gonna, like, break me out? Is it gonna do this and that? But, you know, I do want to clean up. Just like right here. To set my contour, I'm going to be going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And I'm going to be taking both of these dark shades right here. Then I'm just going to go in with a bigger, fluffier brush and just blend all of those powders together. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in this shade Caramel Cutie. I'm just going to go very lightly with this because it's very pigmented. My face just looks so smooth. Like, the pores are just like dismissed. Like, you can go home. Class is not in session. Bye bye. Ooh, my eyes watering. It tickles. And I'm only going to do it like halfway. I'm going to stop right here. And then for the lower part, I am going to bedazzle it, okay? I'm going to be taking Dead End. I don't know why I thought it said Code Red. But I'm going to be taking Dead End and popping that. Ooh, it's on my contact. It's on my contact. My sister's coming upstairs. I'll make your debut.
My D-butt?
D-butt. Okay, so now time for blush. You guys know I love my Milani blush, and I was always using the number 2 Rose d'Oro, but I picked up number 1 Dulce Pink, like a pinker feel. This one's kind of like on the mauve-y side. Yeah, there you go, you can see. I think that this would like kind of complement my eyes since the crease is a bit more on like the berry side, so I think that this would look like really pretty with it. And for a highlight, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Butterscotch. And for my inner tear duct, I'm going to go back in with Dead End. And for lips, I'm going to do a nude lip today. I picked up this new lip gloss. It's from Milani. This is the Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper, and this is in the shade Champagne. So for liner, I'm going to be going in with the Morphe lip liner in the shade Vibes. And for lipstick, I'm going in with the Baselines Cosmetics. This is Shout Out. It's like a very pink, nude, very peachy color. That looks pretty. Do I want to put on lip gloss? Yeah, let's just try it since I bought it. Okay, so for the lip gloss, it's the Milani lip gloss. Ooh, I like this. This is a new lip combo. This is my new nude lip combo. This is like gorgeous. And here is the final look, you guys. This palette is absolutely, she's like really killing it right now, because this palette is just like to die for. So if you guys had her first palette Perception, then you know like what to expect with this one. These shadows are amazing. Like pigmentation, they blend well together, and I absolutely fell in love with this mirror. Like, more companies need to include a mirror with their palettes, especially a mirror this big. Like, this is really good to travel with. Yeah, so let me go figure out what I'm gonna do later, because this beat is not about to be wasted. Like, somebody's gonna see this, okay? So let me go get my life together. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in my next upload. Thank you for watching.